Today's ceremony is a dream come true for 40 of our students who will be conferred with their remote pilot licenses. Thanks to advancements in technology, today they don't have to be in the sky to fly. From the comfort of their homes, open fields, in the bushes and plains, they will be able to legally fly drones for social good. I acknowledge and admire their resilience and vision to enroll for this course as the pioneer class of drone pilots in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past decade, the story of drones has continued to be a story of revolution and evolution. Revolution in the technology and how it is being used, and evolution in the way as a country we are approaching integrating this new entrant into our airspace to deliver innumerable economic and societal benefits in the country. Our challenge is to find the right balance where safety and innovation coexist on relatively equal planes. I don't think it's an exaggeration to say we have accomplished more toward this goal in the past year than we did in the past 15 years combined. Thanks to the forward-looking approach that the government, through the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority, has taken to champion the use of drones in the country. Today, Kenya is one of the few countries in Africa that has opened its horizons for use of drones for social and economic good.
I take this early opportunity to congratulate the pilots for this very important milestone in your life. Today, we are writing a new chapter in the history of our aviation industry, and I am excited to be part of it. And you should also be proud to be the first cohort of drone pilots in the country. We believe and are confident that this technology can be harnessed by various sectors to create solutions to our economic and social challenges. These are such as poaching, aerial mapping, farming, and even surveillance. Ladies and gentlemen, it is therefore not surprising that at the ministry, we were at the forefront pushing for regulations for drone operations in Kenya to ensure that we mainstream the sector and reap the benefits of this emerging technology. The national ICT policy recognizes drones as a technology trend, with the initial approval for commercial drones coming in 2017. The government remains committed to the safe and innovative development of drone technologies for the benefit of the people, and that is why we are happy to see that the private sector is taking a lead in driving safe, legal, and responsible use of drones. Economic growth and job creation are a priority for the government. Drone technology has the potential to create exciting new opportunities, and its applications aim to grow related sectors such as entertainment and sports as well. We would like to see techpreneurs developing drone technology to aid relief, carry out agricultural surveys, and even assist in e-commerce. As the drone industry continues to grow and develop at a rapid rate, it is crucial that pilots and operators do the same in order to improve their own standing within the industry.